Good morning, everyone. Today's Monday. Let's start off the week. How's everybody feeling today? I'm feeling happy. The yellow ball. Everybody has to feel happy. Cheer up. On to the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Let's move on to the Texas Pledge. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to thee, Texas, one state under God, one and indivisible. Let's practice the days of the week. Today, we're Monday. Tomorrow is Tuesday. The middle of the week is Wednesday. Then Thursday. And my favorite, Friday. Then Saturday, and we end the weekend on Sunday. Today, we are Monday, August 24th, 2020. The months of the year: January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, and December. Reminder, guys, stay active, get out and play, do your PE exercises, play a sport with your friends, with your siblings, with your parents, get them up and going as well. Today's agenda is reading and English. Social skills lesson of the week. Don't quit. And the teacher contact information. Have a great day, Peacocks.